Everyone, welcome to Pre-Bell with William Moril India. So here is the disclaimer from our side before I start the session. Registration granted by SEBI membership of BASL and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So US and Asian market updates. Yesterday, US has closed on positive note. Dow has closed 1.22% higher. S&P 500 has closed on positive note by 0.86%, and Nasdaq has closed on positive note by 0.51%. European market. DAX has closed on positive note by 0.49%. FTSE 100 was negative by flat by 0.01%. CAC 40 has closed on positive note by 0.25%. Asian market. Kospi has closed on negative note by 0.21%. Nikkei on positive note by 1.26%. Shanghai Composite on positive note by 0.33%. Hang Seng was positive by 0.52%. So here are the important news. Actually, US market has snapped 3 days losing streak and gained around 0.5% to 1%. US quarter for GDP initial jobless claims due today. Reliance enters into 20 years power purchase agreement with Adani Power armed with an investment of 50 CR. Biocon receive UK healthcare department's approval for diabetes drugs liraglutide, becoming the first generic company to obtain approval for diabetic drugs in the UK. ICICI Securities shareholders pass scheme of arrangement for delisting company, following which it will become a wholly owned subsidiary of ICICI Bank. Mahindra Lifesciences purchased nearly 2 acres of land in Bengaluru, gross development value at 225 CR. Coverdale Investment likely to sell its entire 2.25 stakes in IDFC First Bank. Zydus Lifesciences, Ahmedabad's plant get 4 observations from US FDA. Alchem Lab, US FDA issues Form 483 with 10 observation for companies' manufacturing facilities at Baddi. Now the derivatives data. So Nifty PCR stand at 1.13. Maximum call open interest was seen at 22,500 followed by 22,600, which amounts to 2.57 lakh followed by 1.89 lakh. Maximum put open interest was seen at 22,000 followed by 22,100, which amounts to 2.95 lakh followed by 2.75 lakh. Bank Nifty PCR stand at 0.92. Maximum call open interest was seen at 46,800 followed by 47,600, which amounts to 5.67 lakh followed by 3.60 lakh. Maximum put open interest was seen at 46,700 followed by 46,800, which amounts to 4.93 lakhs followed by 3.72 lakhs. Now the chart. Okay, so this is the daily chart of Nifty, and we have seen that how index is behaving. And yeah, I will talk about this week, especially the 2 days the market action that has taken place, especially on Tuesday and Wednesday. So Tuesday index has actually traded negative, and it has closed around 0.42% negative, but it has also got support of its 50 DMA. Again, yesterday index has closed on positive note, but at the same time, the index was facing resistance at 21 DMA, which is placed around 22,150. So we are actually looking for index to hold and sustain above 22,150. So that it might move in the range of 22,350 to 22,500 range. But it needs to reclaim that level, and it should hold above that. So 50 DMA would be the immediate resistance for the index. Now Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank has also got its support around its 50 DMA, especially on March 20, where we have seen that bounce back has taken place. And since then, the index is actually trying to move upside, but at the same time, index is facing resistance at 47,000 range or also in the range of 21 DMA as well. So if you talk about the resistance at Nifty Bank, so 50 DMA is immediate support for Nifty Bank, and at the same time 47,000 is acting as a resistance for this index. So index must hold and cross above this level to move towards upside. And yeah, so this is about Nifty Bank. So this is all for the day. And at the same time, I would also like to invite you all for a stock darbar in the evening at 4:30. So thank you so much for your patient hearing.